at Telvent, we believe that a distribution utility often has many representations of the same network. So it's not uncommon for a utility to have a SCADA representation of the network, maybe even a DMS representation of the network, then a GIS representation. And now with the rollout of AMI, now you have a whole separate communication network of the representation of the network with devices out there, with data collectors and the meters. And so this invariably starts to create a lot of problems for a utility because you're essentially maintaining multiple representations of the same thing. And so that can result in data integrity issues, it can result in safety issues, and it certainly doesn't allow a utility to operate efficiently. Within the Telvent product line, we envision that GIS is the most dynamic system in a smart grid environment. It's the system that's changing the most as designs come in, as they're posted. That network is constantly changing. Very early on, our product developers looked at that problem and said, this is something we need to solve if we're going to have an integrated smart grid suite. We'll often talk about this pub-sub set of technology that we build. It's a highly secure bus for handling thousands of transactions per second. It literally digests thousands of XML packets per second. So we're talking about high volume and high security, so that as my network is changing, those are made available through pub-sub, and then all of my real-time applications can consume that single version of the truth. When we talk about the single representation of the truth, we think about GIS being at the center of that, maintaining, editing that single representation for consumption of all those real-time applications, and that's a very important part of our story.